I love dirt bikes. They are undoubtedly one of the coolest things on planet Earth. But let's face it, they're not super stealthy. What if you took a Facebook Marketplace dirt bike with a blown-up engine and transformed it into a completely silent stealth bike you could ride anywhere you wanted without anyone hearing a thing? This is a 2006 KX250F with a completely DIY electric conversion. And today, I'm trying to take this thing everywhere I wouldn't be able to ride it if it still had a gas motor. If I can make it the whole day without, like, actually seriously getting in trouble, that'd be cool. I'm not hopeful, but that'd be cool. All right, this is Kai. He's the owner of Easy E-Rides, and he built this bike. You were telling me it had like a completely blown-up engine, right?
Yeah, a lot of these bikes, 4-strokes of this generation, you just have to do a lot of service on them, and then people don't because they want to ride and not fix them. And then the engines blow up, and once the motor's blown up, people sell them for pretty cheap. You can find them from like $500 to $1,000.
How much did you pay for this one?
This one I think was $750, but it had a title with it too.
That's crazy.
So, to anyone who's gonna buy it to like rebuild it, that's why it's not worth anything, because it's like, oh, you're gonna spend $1,500 on motor parts plus the know-how or paying someone to rebuild it. All of a sudden, like, yeah, you're back to the $3,000 that the bike's worth. You can chuck this bike down a hill and there's not gonna be any like wiring harnesses or anything that you're gonna break.
You keep looking at my Surron.
Not a bunch of this.
Speaking of Surrons, you basically have a Surron drivetrain in here, kind of.
So yeah, the biggest Surron battery that you can buy, that's a 8245 EBMX V3 controller.
Look at that, dude. It's like jammed. Is it touching the spring? Hold on.
No, it's touching the top of the frame here. The bottom on the other side, you can see a phase wire is almost touching the motor. The wires are right against the battery and then about a few millimeters from the spring in every way.
And you did this all yourself, right?
Yeah. The other thing that a lot of people do, you can put your controller here as like a radiator. I wanted all the wiring to be tidier and farther back, and then this is more protected at the price of just more work trying to get everything to fit in there.
It almost looks like it wouldn't run.
This is a QS 13870H V3 motor. This one has a gearbox integrated in it.
So it just goes straight off the motor, and then it's just like a dirt bike sprocket.
Yep.
Just like a gas motor.
Yep. This piece of aluminum is welded to my motor. Surron battery tray literally just bolts into that.
That's so clever.
Yeah.
Does this have a clutch? What is that?
Instead of having like a regen thumb throttle, this pulls a cable, goes into a mechanism that's behind my number plate that's right there.
Oh, whoa.
And that mechanism just provides like stiffness to make this feel like a clutch, so it's stiff and springs back. You can set that to be a regen brake, an E-clutch, or you can just turn it completely off. And the other cool feature is you can set it to be a main throttle. If you crash, something happens, and you break your main throttle, and you're like stuck in the woods, no matter how crappy of a throttle, to like just get out of the woods and get home.
Yeah.
It's just a redundancy thing that's nice too. Everything looks super factory. There's storage. So I have a thumb screw here.
Oh, because you don't have an airbox.
Yeah. Well, I still have an airbox.
Well, you have it.
And then my seat comes off.
Whoa,
and then
dude.
To turn it on and everything, my ignition is on my gas cap, and it's just, you just press that button, screen boots up, does its thing.
Dude, that's sick. Okay, let's try this puppy out. Okay, on. Is that it? All right, our first stop are some secret trails that are right in the middle of an urban area. This is a spot where a gas bike would immediately get you in trouble. Also, we got a sick riding group. We got Kai on my Ultra B, Vernon on his 50 kilowatt E-Ride Pro, and Kyle back there on his Ultra B. We are in full stealth mode today, zero engine noise. Your rear brake is so weird. It's like spongy kind of. Try mine.
One piston caliper. What do you want?
Okay, front brakes work. That's good. Front brakes work. Oh my God, these brakes, dude. Kai, why? Your brakes are so mushy. What is going on?
They're old. It's a 20-year-old bike.
Yeah, that would explain it. Okay. Who knows the trails here? I always get lost. Oh, oh, it's muddy. Oh, what the f? Oh my God. Ah, you go. Roosted by my own bike. Oh my gosh, this thing is powerful. Dude, I cannot go fast on this bike. Okay, you lead. This is so weird. I am not used to this thing. Oh, you got a leaf on my bike, bro.
I think probably you got a leaf on your bike.
Holy shoot. Oh no. Vern's like, really? Oh, dude, this feels like a Stark, a little bit. Oh. Oh, I lost.
Holy shit, dude. I keep losing my front end. Kai, this is very scary. Okay, what if I warm up on my bike, you show me how it's done on this bike, and then we'll swap back. The front end keeps like washing out. The brakes are like strong, but I don't know what they're doing. When I'm hitting the brake, I'm just mashing the front brake, you know?
You're probably just only using the front brake.
Yeah, that's literally what's happening. Okay, show me how it's done. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? I lost him. Oh my gosh. Oh, there you are. Oh my God. I told him to show me how it's done and now I can't see him. He's too fast.
How many subscribers did you need to do that?
I needed 50 million likes, I think I said.
Oh.
You think I'm gonna do this for... Ah, dude. I don't know why it freaks me out so bad. Here, I'm gonna get out of the way. He makes it look easy, but I know I would die.
Well, he has some momentum.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't think I'm good.
Oh. Can you imagine if we were on gas bikes? I don't think she would be ignoring us. Whoa! Ah, God, I suck at this. What the heck? Should we try some hill climbs? Nice! Imagine that on a gas bike.
I don't know, man. You know, Kyle's pretty darn good.
I know, that's what worries me. Every time I get some confidence, you know, they try it and it's difficult for them. I'm gonna die. I wanna just feel it out.
How's it look? Does it look very steep?
It doesn't look too steep, but it is loose as a goose. Oh God, how do I get out of this?
I think both of us could do it, but let's do it another day.
Okay, cool, let's do it. Nice, Vern. Oh! I almost fell off the cliff. Why did I decide to do a video about dirt bikes? I am not good at this. I started going off to the right. I convinced myself going faster would make it easier, but it just shot me off the cliff. Oh, hey Vernon, this is where we first met. I'm Logan, nice to meet you.
Meet you too.
Aw. Hey, you wanna go see down there? There's some cool jumps. I'm gonna let Kai lead the way. He knows actually how to make his way through this maze. I don't wanna sound like a broken record, but this is the best part about electric bikes is you can just explore with your friends so many places you wouldn't be able to go on other bikes. Oh, this place.
I don't know if I can get from there.
From there to there? As a step up? Yeah, you can. I'll follow Cam you. Oh man, that is kind of sketchy.
It kind of needs digging.
It's not much of a jump, but everything is a jump if you go fast enough. What the heck? Bro, what are you doing? We can move that and make that the lip of the jump. Oh, look at that fucking spider. Is that a black widow?
Should we just let it happen?
Yeah, here, let's...
Watch out.
Ready?
Yep, yep.
I want to get down and help so bad, but that just looks like down the road.
I think you made the right decision.
Worth it?
I don't think it's worth it. Man, but good thing I have my JT Racing Lifelines on, which by the way, you can buy one and get one free right now with the code LOGANG at checkout.
I want to get one free with code Logan.
You totally could. You could even buy 2 and get 2 free. Whatever you want, man.
You could buy 100.
If anyone buys 100, I will give them a kiss. I don't know.
You really did, but it looks scary to me.
I think you might do it.
That one's gonna do that.
Just off the side? Here, I'll get out of your way.
I think I can hit the big side.
Yeah.
Although that's a lot farther.
You got it, Kai.
Wait, my customers go like this.
That's sick.
I saw a boot sticking up there.
What?
Hopefully they're lying.
Oh my gosh.
I could see a boot, but I don't know. Nobody's moved.
Just want to make sure everyone's okay. Oh my God, Vernon. Jeez. Yeah, they're breathing. We're good. Okay, this is a testament to an electric conversion. That someone can be sleeping 20 feet away.
Do you want me to take your bike or your bike to the shop and leave this bike?
Why don't I take your bike? No, I'll take good care of it. Don't even worry about it.
This is worth a lot more than that.
How much did you spend on this bike, by the way, in total? Do you know?
Probably like 4 grand.
4 grand? So like less than a Surron?
I'll be back.
Now we can do whatever we want with this bike.
right.
You want to race these things?
Sure.
Okay. All right. I don't know how this thing is going to respond.
Get ready, straight and weight forward.
Yep.
Count of 3. 1, 2, 3, go.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, Vern's so fast. Vern's so fast. Vern.
Mode 1.
That was mode 1? I was in mode 2. Okay, let's bump it up. Let's see what happens. To the fences again?
Yeah.
Okay, mode 3. Count us down.
1, 2, 3, go.
Oh my god. Vernon. Vernon, I let off. I got scared.
This thing is insane.
You were cruising, dude.
This thing's crazy, I'm telling you.
Oh. Oh, there's Kyle. Oh, that's my bike. Nice. Vernon and I just raced. This guy's crazy, dude.
That thing's fast.
It's so fast. I let off on this thing because we were right next to each other and his front wheel kept coming up.
Street 3.
This is in race 3.
For some reason, Kai at one point had his Street 3 set up as higher.
Really? Mode 3? Holy crap. Yeah, that moves. Okay, I'm gonna see if Street 3 is any better. That's max throttle. I don't think he made street mode faster. I feel like this is a really well-built bike, but I feel so sketchy on it. You wanna ride it?
He has like a low seat but high bars.
Yeah.
Feels like you're in the bike and then riding like this.
He's on a chopper. Just.
Yeah.
We gotta do the most important test of all. Can that thing get a Baja Blast? Because on a regular dirt bike, you'd be cooked. You'd be toasted. We made it! Yes! Hi.
Can I help you today?
Hi, can I have 4 zero sugar Baja Blasts with vanilla creamer in them, please?
We don't have vanilla cream in it anymore.
Oh,
Sorry for that.
no! That's okay, that's okay. Can we just have 4 medium zero sugar Baja Blasts, please?
4.
4.
See you at the window.
Body motorcycle, guys.
Thank you. Here you go, guys.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
How about you guys?
Okay, have a great day. Thank you. See ya. Damn, okay, that's the most dirt bike thing that's happened so far. She said, hello, motorcycle guys. She clocked you.
And we didn't get coffee.
I know.
You can't do it with the gas bike. It's that.
Jeez, dude, God. You're right, though. You're right.
That's my kickstand.
3, 2, 1. Vernon.
We got ice in this. It's a scam. Look how much ice I got.
Dude, that is brutal. They hate you, dude. All right, the final spot Kai just told me about. I've never been there. Apparently, it's a big urban wall ride. I don't know what that really means. Yeah?
I always only go there on weekends because it's like the parking lot to a business. As long as we understand that we could just have to leave.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This thing is crazy. I'll give you $5 if you hill climb this whole thing.
Yeah, and then jump the fence.
Just pop over the top of the fence. It's not a big deal, dude. Wow. Look at this. Dude, this is so crazy. When I was a kid, I used to be really into spooling, which was like taking a spool like this and walking on it. Oh, it spins.
That's what schools do.
Oh my gosh. So many spools. Are you kidding me? Dude, this is spool heaven. I gotta get back into spooling. Guys, let me know if I should do a spooling video. Dude, so many spools. Dude, look at that motor. Kai, look at this motor, dude. What is that for?
Oh, that's for the next bike I'm building.
This was an interesting test of a very budget-built electric converted dirt bike, and yeah, you can get away with a lot on this thing, but I think the real benefit of these things is that in the future, we'll be able to have real riding spots. I'm talking tracks, trails, all the places you cannot build tracks for gas bikes. Just because of the noise, it'll open up riding to more people in more places. With that said, ride safe. I'll see you next week.